Hello everyone, welcome to my first vlog. This is my husband, the person who always think he is cool all the time. Example, this walk. And this is me who always have a lot of issues.
Okay, that's good.
And thanks to my husband for making me look very stupid in this video.
You ready? Or?
Yes, that's right. My husband, he's talking to himself.
My hair.
You already tried to find something that you don't have.
No, I have. I have a hair on my face.
Nothing on your face.
There was a hair on my face. There was one. The drink was too much, I think. But of course, it's downtown food.
This is the highlight of our trip to Chicago. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry for the icy window.
In your hands.
Let me show you a little bit of downtown Chicago. Yes, it's really very little. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.